Welcome friends in mathematics classes. Today we will discuss class 11 chapter 1 sets. This is the part 1 of the chapter. Let us understand what is collection first. So a pack of cards, a crowd of people, a cricket team, the rivers of India are all collection of a particular objects. Similarly in maths, like natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., odd numbers 1, 3, 5, and solution of a equation like x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 has only two solutions, 2 and 3. So these all are collection of some well-defined values. So we can say a set is a well-defined collection of objects. So there are some important points that we have to keep in mind is sets are denoted by capital letters always. Elements of sets are represented by always small alphabets. If A is an element of A, we will say A belongs to capital A. And it is denoted by A belongs to capital A. Also, if B is not in A, we will say B does not belongs to A, denoted by B does not belongs to A. So sets are represented by capital A is equal to curly bracket A, B, C and curly bracket close. Here A, B and C are the elements of capital A. So we will say A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital A, C belongs to capital A. But any alphabet, suppose D, which is not in the set A, so we will write D does not belongs to capital A. Now there are two types of representations for a set. So these are roster or tabular form and set builder form. So first set form is roster form or tabular form. So let us understand this with an example. So first example is set of all natural numbers which divides 42. So 42 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. So we can write in the form curly brackets, the elements and the curly bracket closed. So similarly the set of all vowels. So we know there are only 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we will write A, E, I, O, U in curly brackets. So this is the roster form. The second form is set builder form. So we can say for set builder form the elements that possess a single common property. So for example, we are taking the example of all vowels A, E, I, O, U. So all elements of this set has a single property that all are vowels and no other elements outside this set has this property because other than these vowels all alphabets will be consonants. So we can write V is equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet where the two dots is called such that. So we will read it X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. So now we will read it like this. The set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. So thank you friends. Now let us meet in the next video. That will be the part 2 of the sets. And we will start the exercise 1.1. So take care.